Hi everybody, today I show you Victorinox. Okay, this is ladies watch. Okay. Okay, this is Victorinox Swiss Army. It's ladies classic alliance sport chronograph quartz movement watch. Retail price for this model $925. Online store price around $250. This watch have stainless steel case and white very soft rubber band, Swiss made. Okay, and water resistant for this watch 100 meters or 330 feet. Size 36 millimeters without crown, and thickness just 11 millimeters. Okay, this sapphire crystal scratch resistant anti-reflective crystal. Okay, it's in deal. You can see lavender, mother of pearl. It looks very nice. I guess girls like this color and finish. Okay, it's work. Okay, and what else? Silver tone hands and luminescent. I show you right now. And pretty watch, just for $250. Check how this looks in night. Okay, not bad for ladies watch. Okay, and last trick. 1, 2, 3. Click on the tie if you want. Like that. Pretty watch. Just for $250. Pretty ladies watch. Okay, so this was Victorinox Swiss Army and woman's classic Alliance Sport chronograph watch, quartz watch. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe for our channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.